Welcome to our tutorial on how to make a button label appear as text in Gmail on your PC. By default, Gmail displays button labels as icons, but if you prefer a text-based interface or find icons confusing, follow these simple steps to change the button labels to text. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, locate the Button Labels section. Step 5. Next to Button Labels, click on Text to change the labels from icons to text. By changing the button labels to text, you can have a clearer understanding of the functions and options available in Gmail, making it easier to navigate and use. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.